Hello, in front of me I've got Fairphone 3. In this video I'll show you how to make phone calls via Google Assistant. Firstly, open Google app, tap a button in the right corner, go to Settings, Google Assistant and Voice Match. Make sure this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, "Hey Google, call Lily."
Calling Lily.
And that's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Unfortunately, I can't do it right now because my phone does not have SIM card inserted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.